Guess how much for just 1 ounce of gold right now? Over 4,000 US dollars. That's a record high. Cash for gold, anyone? I'm Kalila from Money Media, giving you money news for the Caribbean. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can invest in gold from the Caribbean. So gold prices have been on a historic rally this year. It's up 54% since the start of the year and recently passed the $4,000 mark. It's the best performing commodity of the year. Now, gold is considered a safe haven asset or crisis commodity because its demand tends to go up during times of uncertainty. Unlike other commodities like oil that lose value during crises, gold has historically always kept its value. Now, analysts aren't 100% sure why, except maybe one day something will happen. Zombie apocalypse, and we won't be able to print money. Then gold, which doesn't erode and can easily be melted into coins, will become the standard method of payment. So it's essentially a backup plan in case other forms of currency don't work. Now, this latest rally seems to be tied to rising geopolitical uncertainty in the United States, the Middle East, and Eastern Europe. For example, gold prices rose to $3,500 US per ounce earlier this year over concerns that U.S. President Donald Trump would fire Chair of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell. It spiked again following the U.S. government shutdown in October. U.S. Congress couldn't agree on the country's budget, resulting in a shutdown of all federal agencies and programs until both parties agree on a spending bill. The U.S. Fed also announced its first interest rate cut for 2025 in September, and they've indicated that at least 2 more cuts are expected before the year ends. Now, lower interest rates tend to make non-yielding assets like gold more attractive. According to the World Gold Council, inflows into gold ETFs hit $64 billion US year to date, with a record $17.3 billion in September alone. In other words, a lot of people are buying gold. Some analysts say that a fear of missing out, FOMO, is also boosting the rally, and that's the bottom line. So, do you want to invest in gold? You can invest in gold, crypto, international stocks, and commodities through HFM's online platform and get payouts directly to your local bank account in the Caribbean. Go to the link in my bio or in the description to sign up. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.